You will hear a telephone conversation between a travel agency receptionist and a customer. First, you have some time to look at questions 1 to 5.
Good morning, Dream Journeys. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to inquire about the Discover Rome tour package. Is that still available?
Yes, the Discover Rome package is available. When are you planning to travel?
I'm looking to depart on the 10th of March. Actually, could you make that the 12th of March?
Let me check. Yes, the 12th of March is available. And would you like a return ticket included?
Yes, please. How much would it cost?
The return ticket is £199.
All right, and I'd prefer accommodation at a luxury hotel.
We offer a 5-star hotel. Would that suit your needs?
Yes, that's perfect. How many meals are included in the package?
You'll have 2 meals per day included.
Before you hear the rest of the conversation, you have some time to look at questions 6 to 10.
Could I have your contact number for the booking, please?
Sure, it's your 7544-893678.
Thank you. You'll be departing from the hotel at 8 a.m. 8:30 a.m. for the city tours. Would you like to book an additional city tour for £30?
Yes, I'd love to add that. Can I pay with a credit card?
Certainly, we accept credit cards. Do you have any dietary requirements?
Yes, I'm vegetarian.
That is the end of section 1. You now have half a minute to check your answers.
Thanks a lot. When are the finals being held?
They're happening in November.
That is the end of section 1. You now have half a minute to check your answers. Hey there, did you get them all right? Smash the like button and subscribe for more daily IELTS tests.